So it's about 3 in the morning. I just woke up. I didn't sleep that well because I was too excited for today. Alrighty, so we're on the streets and we're headed towards the destination. We'll see you there in about 3 hours. What's up? How you doing? So it's about 7 in the morning. I came down this dirt road and now I'm at the scientific and natural area. Which the sign's a little hard to see because Mother Nature's taking over. But yeah, just past this gate we can do some hiking. And last time I did hiking, and somebody's hunting. Last time I did hiking, I made the mistake of not wearing any jeans nor a long sleeve shirt, so I got pretty scuffed up. But this time I came prepared. So here we've got some information about what we could expect to see here at Boot Lake. So I'm coming up on this really old trailer. Cozy little spot. I find myself in the midst of these floofy plants. I found some bad idea berries. Yeah, definitely not edible. Big old shrooms. Look at those guys. That one's massive. And I found a Mr. Caterpillar here. A nice pile of scat. Time to go tree climbing. Okay, rather enjoying myself out here. Now the tricky part is getting down. I will see Boot Lake. I will lay my eyes upon the shimmering waters eventually. Look guys, I found Boot Lake. It's about 6 feet wide. Pretty good lake. More bad for you berries. You know, these don't taste... Never mind, they taste bad. Look guys, I used my boots to get to Boot Lake. Well, let's hope some farmer kid didn't steal my bike. As you can tell, it's the beginning of fall, late summer here, and the leaves are starting to turn, and a few have fallen already. So, fall is on its way. Alright, so we're on the trail again. I'm fueled up with coffee and Egg McGriddles from McDonald's. So let's keep on pushing the pedals. Yeah. You might ask, what keeps me motivated through all this? And the answer is quite simple. If you ever want to do something a little bit outrageous, just make the stakes high. Make it so that you have to complete the task. So in this case, if I can't get home, or if I quit biking, then I will not go home. So that makes things pretty clear cut and dry when it comes to what I have to do. There she is. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the cityscape in the distance. For me, that's the Big Apple. So I just got back to my apartment, and total I rode 80 miles, and everything hurts. My legs hurt, my abs hurt, my back hurts, my shoulder hurts, my dick hurts. Everything is sore. So I'm just gonna sit here